Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for viewing. This here is a little walkthrough of my 1987 Toyota Odyssey camper. First, we had to assess some things that was going on in the engine and get it repaired. I had noticed that it was running pretty bad, and the owner before me said that it would need a nice little tune-up before it would be able to go out. So anyway, I changed the spark plugs, the oil filter, the air filter, and also noticed that in the back of the driver's seat there was a big hole that I needed to patch up. And so then we will do a little walkthrough here on a fuse system that was broken. The back rear lights were a little damaged, actually a lot damaged, a lot of water damage was on them. So we'll need to change those out. The water heater is pretty old, so we'll redo that in a new way. The old refrigerator that was in the van, in the camper, is time to go. This is inside the vehicle, starting from the passenger side. That seat will get replaced. The LP alarms and all the gauges will be replaced. The old Dometic refrigerator will be replaced. This is a look at the back side of the camper. The rear bathroom, full shower, onto the driver's side where there's a kitchen, galley kitchen here, with the stove and oven, and that will get replaced. And then we get to the like seat that folds out to a little bed with the water tank underneath. It will all get replaced also. On my first initial, I tried to get the engine working, and it was apparent that all my work had been successful. However, I needed to get a new battery. So after getting a new battery, we went to get it smogged. This wasn't successful on our first two tries, so we went to get it smogged somewhere else. But after this point, I decided to go ahead and patch the hole that was letting fumes in behind the driver's seat. I lost the footage to the rest of this video, but however, I threw some self-tapping screws in, tightened it all down. Still working good till today. Thank you for viewing. Hit that like,